Hello, my name is Abdurrahman Abdelgawad, and this is a walkthrough for Udacity's RPA Nanodegree Project2 Invoice Scrapping. First of all, this process opens the last 150 mails, reads only the ones with techno-computers in their subject, downloads the attached PDF invoices files under a certain naming rule, which is customer name underscore invoice date underscore invoice number .pdf. After that, it loops through every and each file of the downloaded invoices files, opens it, scraps the following information: invoice number, invoice date, and the order information of that invoice, then closes the invoice. Finally, it saves all the order information of each invoice in a new Excel file named as customer name underscore invoice number.xlsx, mails it to my email, and uploads the subtotal, GST, and total of each invoice to a queue on the orchestrator. This process is unattended. Moving on, there are 4 workflows. 2 of them invoked in the main, and the other 2 invoked in the invoice scrapping workflow. The first workflow reads the last 150 mails from Outlook that has a subject as the provided in the argument, and then saves all the attachments that follows the naming rule. The precondition of that workflow is that the Outlook application installed and signed in, 100 mails messages with the provided subject, attachments follow the naming rule. The postcondition of that flow is that invoices PDFs successfully saved in the current project directory. The second workflow, invoice scrapping. This flow opens all the downloaded invoices, scraps all the required data from them, and perform all the other necessary processes on the collected data. The precondition of that flow is that invoices folder exists and contains all the invoices as PDFs, and Adobe Acrobat Reader is closed at the beginning of the flow. The postcondition is that invoices numbers and dates lists are not empty. The next workflow, save invoice order info. This flow creates a new Excel file and saves the provided data table to that file. The precondition of that flow, not empty data table to be saved in the Excel file. The postcondition is that the Excel file is created and saved successfully. The last workflow, send mails. This flow sends a file through an Outlook mail to my email. The precondition of that flow is that the provided file path is correct, the file exists. The postcondition of that flow is that the file is sent successfully. Next, the invoices that will be downloaded here in the project directory under a folder named invoices. This folder isn't created yet. I created this folder in the flow. The queue name that the data will be uploaded to is named invoices details. And here is the queue, invoices details, and there is no any transaction in it. I already sent 4 different mails to my email. The first one that has invoice name Project2, okay. The second one, of course, all of them under the subject name Techno Computers. The second one, Joey Tribbiani. Third one, Monica Geller, and finally Rachel Green. And here they are in the inbox. Now let's run the workflow. It starts with opening the mails and downloading all the attachments. After downloading the attachments, it opens every and each attachment at a time, scrap the data from it, close the first attachment, open the next invoice, scrapping the data, which is the invoice number, invoice date, and the order information. And now the third invoice, and finally the fourth one. Okay, as you can see in the output panel that the flow ended successfully. Now let's go to the project directory. In the project directory there is a new folder named invoices. When we open it, we'll find all the attachments, invoices, that sent by mail. Jane Doe, Joey Tribbiani, Monica Geller, and Rachel Green invoices. And in that folder, there is a new folder called Invoices Excel. In that folder, we'll find all the invoices data named as customer name _ invoice number. If we opened one of them, we'll see that all the order information of that invoice is here. Joey Tribbiani, all the order information here. Now let's go to the queue. Let's go to home, go back to the queue. We'll find 4 new transactions. Let's view all these transactions. The last one, customer name Rachel Green, the subtotal of it, GST and total. Close. The next one, Monica Geller, subtotal, GST and total. Joey Tribbiani. And finally, Jane Doe, which is the first one actually. Now, let's go to see the mails. Here is in the inbox. We'll find, let's refresh it. We have 4 new mails. To open the first one, we'll find that Jane Doe. Under the subject, Course 2 Automation, Jane Doe _ invoice number, details uploaded to the queue. When we open Jane Doe Excel file, we'll find all the order information here. The next one, Course 2 Automation, Joey Tribbiani, order information of Joey Tribbiani. The next one, order information of Monica Geller. And finally, all the order information of Rachel Green. That's it, and thank you.